Think of Kubernetes as a superhero team for your computer programs and applications. They work together to make sure your programs run smoothly, just like how superheroes team up to save the day. Before I forget. Welcome to Women in Cloud Native, where we drop gems for those in tech, those interested in getting into tech, and everyone in between. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week when we drop new content. Let's get back to it. Meet the Kubernetes heroes, Captain Control Plane. Captain Control Plane is like the leader of the superhero team. She's in charge of making decisions and giving orders to the others. She tells them where to put programs and how many copies to make. Worker minions. These are like the superheroes who do the heavy lifting. They're responsible for running your programs. If you need more superheroes, Kubernetes can create them automatically. Pod Pals. Think of pods as small groups of superheroes who work together. Each pod contains one or more superheroes containers that team up to do a specific job, like serving a website or running a database. Load Balancer. Lucy. Load Balancer. Lucy is like a superhero who helps make sure that no one superhero is overwhelmed with work. She spreads the tasks evenly among the worker minions. Okay, you know what Kubernetes is? Let's cover how Kubernetes works. Imagine you have a big collection of action figures, each with its own special power. You want to play with them, but you don't know which one to choose for each mission. Here's where Kubernetes comes in. You tell Captain Control Plane what you want to do. For example, you might say, I want to run my website and I need 5 superheroes to help. Captain Control Plane makes a plan. She decides which worker minions to use and how many pods to create. She tells Load Balancer Lucy to keep an eye on things. Worker minions create pods. Each pod contains a superhero action figure. They start working together to make your website run smoothly. Load Balancer. Lucy makes sure everything is balanced. If one superhero gets too busy, she moves some tasks to other superheroes so that no one is overwhelmed. Captain Control Plane keeps checking to make sure everything is okay. If a superhero gets tired or stops working, she sends another one to take over. You can add or remove superheroes anytime. If you need more superheroes for a busy day, Captain Control Plane can create them. If you have too many, she can send some back. Just like superheroes work together to save the city, Kubernetes helps your computer programs work together to run your websites, apps, and more. It's like having your own team of tech superheroes to make sure everything runs smoothly and without any problems. Thanks for joining us at Women in Cloud Native. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next week when we drop more gems.